Kinda look, you see master.
Juicy patty choke. Much going on the choke there? 20? How far is that one here call look? How far him? And this man here call that? And this man here call, oh God. Who the man? This man here say?
I put that one up here. No, I put that one. No, for me.
Where's the rest of you that echo there that look for you? Oh my God.
I mean, here is after that for me. Yo,
so when I miss this morning?
You go move there.
The Rasta man, see code.
Couple weeks.
Me just for me.
Rasta ya, see
This is
code.
what that it. Why will he play to one side? What that the blood clot? Yo, Mr. Rasta, King one kill the bomb clot boy, police no kill the boy no.
They're boy they know.
They no carry the pipe about 6 or 5 of them gone like them. And
This
then
is
them for me,
Rasta
but I mean when they move him, I figure she. Yeah.
So remember not 3 minutes and here?
The last me lose one last year. But I need for me one, so me just easy. But me decide say if a boy thief for any tree, me again, when me find the money me don't want. Right? Kill them boy there.
This man here last in code.
Them boy they fit dead, but they kill them.
Yeah man, I mean,
Have to go kill them boy there. Yeah man, them boy they fit dead man.
No, but this serious. The man say cow. See man cow there. See me a juicy patty chop this.
No, but everyone put whatever they see.
See all scammer there.
I when they done that one party have you how much? I go party there and then the thieves go. To go party there and then they couple of dogs with him on their road. And go party there.
so they want to have no chance to
Come on, man. See them in the truck. There's four of them.
So what the man who call them?
Everyone you say, when they see police come, then they go to court. I know they told them leave it, but then they put the dogs with it.
Alexandria police station live.
Yeah, man.
Juicy beef. Juicy beef. See Rasta there. Stand upside a film cow. See man in a orange hat then cow in there too. See Rasta man there, see him cow there. This a man has a film cow let out run so.
Yeah, I'm teasing them.
This is for Facebook Live.
Hey guys, so there guys, I was on the road yesterday. I'm want to tell on the people Clarendon flood out. Me, I tell on say Clarendon flood out. And me, I record it right this guys. Me, I recorded. I would say trapped because I was in one of them 7-seater van, so it was high enough to go through. But me, I telling the people, you think this is the nice part? Hey, wanna just go and watch the video and see what going on. Actually, the school has them shoes in them, and I tell you, really rough, you know, really rough. Place flood out. People, the place flood out. I create a bag of excitement going home yesterday. But because music was playing, I have to voice over. All of the bossy and the low car, them just park one side because they can't go through the water. And I mean, we were there for some time, for a while. Good time, people, because of the whole traffic. The car them now move. And when my driver decided to go home, I said, Jesus, I saw it did steer. Oh my goodness. So sometimes a vehicle makes sense. You know, sometimes it really makes sense when I'm looking at it. Because in situations like these, it's either you have to stay up on the roadside, or if you have to flood, you have to just make up your mind and say you have to flood. Flood where? Or you have to try go through it, your car might shut down, I don't know. But people, it was very, I don't know if it's at this point, guys, this part wasn't so traumatizing to me until I get out the taxi and was heading to where I was going. I'm not sure if I'm not gonna see it because I get so distracted and start make up. I got nice people till one bike man come rescue Shen. One bike rescue me. I have to go up on bike back and try the show. So this is when our driver decided on, coming out of the traffic for head through the water. So this was it, guys. This was hit. Some people bonnet cover because the vehicle is well low. You understand? Yeah, and then the artist party, guys, me now never take a turn off, No, it's not that I didn't take a turn off, but I did not take my taxi because I didn't want the rain to really catch me in the town, and I never know that this was what happening down in this place right here. So good girl take a next taxi where she know she can come off and walk go in, and that's what I did. You see, when me reach the part where them call gully and me if you cross, hey, nobody can cross it. Only who can nobody can cross it. If you cannot swim, you cannot cross it. Nobody can swim. The cat can swim, the dog can swim. They're funny, guys. They're funny. It's serious, but at the same time funny. I wanted to record on the bike, but guys, good girl have to stay focused, and I was so scared. I ride on bike before, but guys, I don't know, I was so scared. And then threw me in the town and the whole heap of vehicle, and the guy I said, take time. Hear me now to the man, take time. I said, take time. He said, no. He said, I take time with them, and I take time. And I grab them and running ways, and there's a point I feel like I jump off, good people, and good girl jump off, come. I said, this too serious, and this merciful Father, look at Shen. Guys, the place flood out, I can't walk. I want them, I can't cross. I can't cross. He gully. Jesus! I'm gonna get trapped. Look there. Boy, look where I come from. Mercy. Guys, good girl. Cross it. So your people has been telling you I managed to make it home on a bike. Bike riding up, people. When I want your good girl to scream, take time with me. It was bittersweet because I was so scared. Everybody public and I swing through the car them and all these things. I ride from bike before, bear in mind, but I never comfortable. I never said comfortable on a little bike here. So good girl was so scared, but to God be all the glory. I am home safe and sound because him ride on another road and take me home. So we're not go through the river something there. No, we're not go through this. So. But yeah, guys, pick up for the sun, more for the edge and the cover flag gear. Last but not least, stay safe, guys. Remember to put God first. Big up, big up.